Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Epic Games Launcher with two-factor authentication, beginner guide step-by-step clearly. To begin, download the Epic Games Launcher from the official Epic Games website. Locate the downloaded file in your computer's designated Downloads folder. Double-click the executable file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once installed, open the Epic Games Launcher. Log into your Epic Games account or create a new one if you don't have an existing account. After logging in, navigate to the account settings by clicking on your profile picture in the bottom left corner. Select Account from the menu that appears. In the account settings, find the Password and Security section. Scroll down to locate the two-factor authentication area. You will see three options for enabling two-factor authentication. Choose either Email Authentication, Authenticator app, or SMS Authentication. For email authentication, click the Enable button. Check your email for a verification message from Epic Games. Open the email and click the verification link to confirm your choice. For Authenticator app, first, download an authentication app on your mobile device. Popular options include Google Authenticator or Authy. Open the app and scan the QR code displayed on your Epic Games settings page. Enter the verification code generated by the app. Click Activate to enable two-factor authentication using the app. Lastly, for SMS authentication, click the Enable button. Enter your mobile phone number and click the verification option. You will receive a code via SMS. Input that code into the verification field on the Epic Games site. Once verified, your two-factor authentication will be set up successfully. Remember to keep your recovery codes in a safe place. Enjoy the added security on your Epic Games account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.